In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unarchive emails in Yahoo Mail step by step. If you've ever archived an email by accident or just need to bring something back into your inbox, don't worry, it's super simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can do it quickly and confidently. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go ahead and open Yahoo Mail in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, look over to the left-hand sidebar where all your folders are listed. This is where you'll find things like your inbox, sent, drafts, and more. Now, in that same sidebar, scroll down a bit until you find the folder labeled Archive. Go ahead and click on Archive. This folder contains all the emails that you've previously archived, meaning they've been removed from your inbox but not deleted. Once you're inside the archive folder, take a moment to browse through your emails and locate the one you want to unarchive. When you find the email, click on it to open it or simply select it using the checkbox next to it if you prefer. After selecting the email, look toward the top of the screen for the toolbar. Here, you'll see several icons and options. What you're looking for is the restore option. This is usually represented by an icon that moves the email back to your inbox. Click on the restore button and just like that, your email will be moved out of the archive folder and back into your inbox. It's now easily accessible again, just like any other email. If you have multiple emails to unarchive, you can select more than one at a time by checking multiple boxes and then clicking restore once to move them all back together. This can save you a lot of time if you're organizing your mailbox, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully unarchived your emails in Yahoo Mail and brought them back into your inbox where you can easily find and manage them. Before you go, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.